in Notion, we may find that we want to display different information depending on what view of data you have. So, for example, if we go into our focus areas here of sales and marketing, we have contacts set up of May Smith. And I want to see a bit more information. If I look at her card, we've got the company, the website, her contact details, and a photo of her. So I want to see a bit more information when I look at the contact details. So if you go to the table in question that you want to reformat, this is only really applicable to board type displays of databases. If you click on the three dots, go to properties, and you have a card view option for how that's presented to you. So at the moment it's set to none. You can have it display a page cover. We haven't got a page cover set up for this one, but we have got content. So in this instance, it will show the image that we've put into the content. Obviously, that image could be a cover and it would do the same. So it's up to you how you use that information. But at the moment, we've got it as page cover. We can alter the card size, so small, medium, or large. Obviously, that expands the size of the database or the table that gets displayed. So depending on how many columns you have in the table will determine what sort of size you want. So I'm going to keep it at small. You can fit the image or you can reposition it. And I also want to display some extra information. So I want to see the company that she's in. I want the company website and her email address. So if I now come out of that, I can see all of that information on that one card. Now, looking at that, the image isn't helpful like that. So I am going to remove the fit image, go back, and it's a much better positioning of which I can then reposition if I wanted to save that position, and it's there. So now when I go in to look at my customers, I can immediately see more information about that customer on the board without having to drill down further into the item itself.